Excel PPMT function. This function calculates the principal payment for a given period of an investment or loan based on constant periodic payments and a constant interest rate. The syntax is PPMT with parameters rate, per, NPER, PV, an optional FV, and an optional type. There are 6 arguments. Rate is the interest rate per period. Per is the specific period number from 1 to NPER. NPER is the total number of payment periods. PV is the present value or loan amount. FV is an optional future value, which defaults to 0. And type is optional, 0 for payments at the end of each period, or 1 for payments at the beginning. Here's an example. We have an annual interest rate of 10%, a loan term of 2 years, and a loan amount of $20,000. The formula is PPMT of B2 divided by 12, 1, B3 times 12, B4. We divide the annual rate by 12 for monthly payments, specify period 1, and multiply years by 12 for total months. The result is negative $756.23. This is the principal portion of the very first monthly payment. The negative sign indicates money flowing out as a payment. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when any argument is non-numeric. A num error occurs when the period number is less than 1 or greater than NPER. Key points to remember. First, PPMT returns only the principal portion of the payment. Use IPMT for the interest portion and PMT for the total payment. Second, divide the annual rate by 12 for monthly payments and multiply years by 12 for total monthly periods. Third, a negative result means money paid out. The principal portion increases over the life of the loan as you pay down the balance. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.